Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone. It's time for our practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pom。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today, our practical Hakka takes you to the theaters, to the movie theaters. 很喜欢看电影。
我去天养烟看天养。
好，怎么讲？
我去天养烟看天养。
看天养。If we go to the theater, of course, you gotta purchase your movie ticket. 所以是
买天养票。
买天养票. Okay, that is a ticket, all right? And of course, there are two different types of tickets. There is the adult ticket, 也就是全票。全票. And then there's the student or the senior citizens ticket, the discounted tickets. 班票. Okay, that's the special discounted ticket. All right, and then of course, the clerk is going to ask me what seats you want. I want seats in the middle, not too close to the screen.
中央地位
위에 是位置是 Oh, that's your seating. 위에
中央地位
中央地位是吗？
中间一点
就是 near the middle.
唔好太面前
唔好太面前
Oh,
that means not too close to the screen. Okay, and then finally, of course, after I got my tickets, of course, I'm going to have to pay, and they're going to ask me if I'm going to use cash or credit card. 一定是会问我说要付现金还是信用卡嘛，对不对？
现金也是刷卡。
现金 that's cash. 也是或者是
刷卡。
You gotta 刷卡 That's the action. That's swiping your credit card. So cash or swipe your credit card. Okay, so there you go. That's the process of purchasing your tickets at a movie theater. Let's review those words again. A movie theater, 电影院。
天养烟。
And then there's movie tickets, 电影票。
天养票。
And then for these tickets, there could be the full price tickets, 全票。Or there could be the special discounts, 半票。班票 And then you want your seats in the middle, 要中间一点。
中央地位
Not too much in the front, 不要太前面。
唔好太面前。
And finally, cash or credit card. Cash.
现金
and credit card. You're going to swipe your credit card.
刷卡
that's 刷卡. So that does it for today's Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
什么太嘎？
俺子谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.